In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to cPanel hosting in Namecheap, step by step, so you can point your domain to your hosting account the right way and get your website online. This is a really useful setup if you just bought a domain and hosting from Namecheap, or if you already have both and want to make sure everything is connected properly. I'll keep this simple, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are listed, and it's the starting point for changing the domain's DNS settings. Find the domain you want to connect to your cPanel hosting, then click Manage. This will open the settings for that specific domain. Now look for the Nameservers section. This is the part that controls where your domain points on the internet. By default, your domain may be using Namecheap Basic DNS or another setting, but for this method, you want to connect it to your Namecheap hosting account. So from the Nameservers dropdown, select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. Once you choose that option, Namecheap will automatically set the correct name servers for your hosting. You should see dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. These are the name servers that tell the domain to connect to your Namecheap web hosting. After selecting them, click the check mark to save the changes. That step is important because it applies the update to your domain. Now that the domain is pointed to your hosting name servers, the next step is to open your hosting account. Go to Hosting List inside your Namecheap dashboard, then locate the hosting plan you want to use and click Open. From there, go to cPanel. This will take you into your hosting control panel where you can manage files, domains, email, databases, and more. Inside cPanel, look for the domain section. This is where you add the domain to your hosting account. Click Create a new domain. On the next screen, enter your domain name exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure it's typed correctly because this is the domain that will be connected to your hosting account. After entering the domain name, click Submit. cPanel will now create the domain entry and set up the document route where your website files will live. At this point, your domain is added to hosting, but the connection still needs time to update across the internet. This is called DNS propagation. Namecheap says name server changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate worldwide, so don't worry if the website doesn't load instantly. Sometimes it works much faster, but it's normal to wait a bit before everything resolves correctly. While you're waiting, you can prepare your website files so you're ready to upload them. Once the domain is connected, the next step is to upload your website files to the domain's document route. You can do this using File Manager inside cPanel or by using FTP if you prefer working that way. If you're using File Manager, open the correct folder for your domain and upload your website files there. If you're using FTP, connect with your FTP credentials and transfer the files into the same document root folder. This is what actually makes your website appear when someone visits your domain. So just to recap, first, you change the domain name servers to Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. Then you add the domain inside cPanel, wait for DNS propagation, and finally upload your website files to the correct folder. Once everything finishes propagating, your domain should point to your cPanel hosting and your website should be live. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.